cuties, it's that Jess here, and today I have finally got my Twice Formula of Love album unboxing. It's taken quite a while this time to get this unboxing filmed, but that is because I actually decided to take part in a group order for this album because there was so many versions and there were so many good inclusions. I just thought it'd be best to do a group order for this one, so that is why it has actually taken so long to film, but we are here now. So I have got all 4 versions of Formula of Love and I'm really excited to unbox them. So I believe these were from Interpack, can't quite remember the website name. So they do include all the pre-order bonuses as well as the posters, and it also includes the pre-order benefit from the site, which I believe is a postcard. So we haven't actually got all 4 posters here, which I will probably show at the end as they are quite large. These are larger than the Target ones, which are the mini ones. These are the full size ones that are normally with the Twice album pre-orders. So we shall start with the first one, which is the Study About Love or Study version. It's been so long I can't actually remember the exact names. Right, so let's open this album up, and here we have got the CD. Now I believe each version just has one CD specific to that version. So we've got like a sciencey one. Oh, it's so cute. And then each album actually has an album like slipcover, which is completely new. Okay, so we have got Momo, who is my bias. I adore Momo. So I'm so happy to have it. Oh my god, we're off to a really good start. I'm really excited to have a Momo cover on the first one. Right, so I've managed to pop all the inclusions to the side without actually seeing any, which was fab. So that is the photo book done, and what I will say is that is very hard to film because it is like a flip up one, which is so different to Twice's normal ones, so I will do my best. So now we get on to the inclusions. So first off, I believe this is the pre-order benefit, and we have Tui. Looks stunning. Next we have got a sticker sheet, and I believe this is included in every album. So next we have got Geo, and I think these are called the index cards, I think. They're really cute. They're in the explosion version, which is my favourite version of the whole album. Geo just looks adorable there. I love her outfit in that version. It's so pretty. Right, so now we have got the ID cards, I think these are called. And first off we have Nyan, who I'm very pleased to have. And then we have got Momo. Oh, she looks so cute. Then onto the photo cards. First off, we have the scratch one, and this looks like it might be the OT9 one. It is, which is fab because I do like to collect the group cards as there's so many of them, and there's always so many individual photo cards, so I always try to get a group one. Then for photo cards, we have Chaeyoung. She looks so cute. Next, Sana. Oh, I'm really happy to have a Sana one. Then we have got Momo. Oh my god, this was the photo card I really wanted. As I said, Explosion is my favourite version, so I'm really happy. And lastly we have got Junghyun in the, what's this version called? Is it Full of Love? I believe so. So that is the first version. Next we are on to the Break It version, and this is my second favourite version. I adore it. I think it is just a really cool concept. So have a quick look at the pre-order photo cards. If we open up, we'll have a look at the CD. Oh, I love this one. This is a really cool one. It's really pretty. And take a quick peek at the cover this time. Okay, so we managed to get Momo again, which I'm just ecstatic about. I really like this concept on Momo. I just think she looks amazing and it really suits her. Now take a quick look through the inclusions, and here is the sticker sheet again. So it appears to be the same version for every album, which is fine by me. Then we have the pre-order benefit, and we get Geo, and honestly all the members are really bias wrecking me this comeback, which hasn't really happened before, but Geo is definitely making her way back into my bias list. Then we have the index paper, I think this is called, and we have Turi this time, and in this version I absolutely adore her. I just think she looks so cute, and another one that is definitely bias wrecking me this comeback. I really wanted this inclusion actually, and I'm not even a Turi collector, but I really wanted that one, so I'm really happy. Now onto the ID cards. First of all we have Geo again. She just looks so cute. This concept suits her so well. And then we have Nyan. Oh my god, honestly, this concept on Nyan is just my absolute favourite, so I'm so happy. I believe there's both ID cards for Nyan now, which I'm super happy about. Now onto the scratch card, and we have Momo, yay. Honestly, I'm so chuffed. Just looks so cute. I'm still debating whether to actually scratch off the flask or not. I'm really undecided. Then we have Momo again. Honestly, I'm doing so well. So happy to be doing group orders. Then we have Nyan. I find it so hard to get Nyan photo cards, so I'm ecstatic. And we have a group one, which I'm super happy about, in the Break It version. And lastly we have Momo, and she just looks so cute. So there is the Break It version of the Formula Love album. Now we have my favourite concept, which is the explosion version. Honestly, this is my absolute favourite. It's pink and it's just really cute. So first again we will start with the pre-order card set. Let's have a look at the CD in this one, and it's another really pretty one. It's like all hearts and really cute. Love it. And if we have a look at the cover, I'm really hoping for Momo for this one because it's my favourite concept. Okay, so we have Turi, but you all know how much I'd love Turi in this concept. So I'm fine with that. She looks so cute, and it's quite fun to have a Turi inclusion because yet again with Nyan and also Sana, I find them really hard to get. So again, we have got the sticker sheets, and here is the pre-order benefit, and we have, oh, we have the group one. I'm really happy about that. It's such good quality as well, so I'm really chuffed to have a OT9 one. Yay! So now we have the index paper, and we have Nyan in the explosion version, and I'm just so happy about that. She looks so cute. I'm so happy. I love her outfit in this. Now for the ID cards, we first have Mina. Oh, I'm so happy to have a Mina inclusion. I was really hoping from something from everyone. So now I think we're just waiting for Diane, I think. And for the next one we have, oh, there we are, we have Junghyun. Now onto the photo cards. First with the scratch one we have Geo. And she just looks so cute in this concept. Then we have Momo in the explosion version again, so I believe that's both of those photo cards are done. Then have Momo in the Full of Love version. Momo again in the Full of Love version as well. Super cute with the glasses. Then we have another OT9, which I'm just so happy about. So that is the Explosion album unboxed. So now onto the final Formula of Love album. So opening up the last album, the CD is, oh cute, so it's a little heart. That's really sweet. And it's pink, which is always a bonus for me as I adore the colour pink. Now onto the cover, and we get, yay, so we get Momo, and she just looks adorable here. Oh, I am so happy. So now onto the inclusions, and yet again we have the sticker sheet. I better find a good use for these stickers. Next we had the pre-order, and we got Momo. It took us to the last one, but we managed to get Momo, and she just looks so cute. I love it. Then yay, this was the inclusion I really wanted, was the Momo index card, and I just really I'm happy about that. She just looks so cute, and it's honestly one of my favourite looks on her. I love it. Right, so now we go on to the ID cards, and first of all we have Momo, so I believe that's both Momo ID cards. Very happy about that. And then we have Diane, so I believe that's actually every member I have an inclusion for, which is why I really like. I like to have at least one thing from each member that isn't just like the pre-order cards. And we got Diane's Wi-Fi hair, which I adore. Personally, I think it's so cute. Now onto the scratch card we have, okay, so we got Geo again. So one duplicate out of 4 albums isn't bad. So I'm quite happy with that. Now onto the rest of the photo cards, we have a group one from the explosion version, another group one, and this is from the study version, another explosion group version but different this time, and finally, so we had the Full of Love group one. So here we have the poster for the study version, the poster for the Full of Love version, poster for the explosion version, and finally the poster for the break it version. So that is all the posters and then all the albums unboxed. So thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in my next video. Goodbye guys. Eek.